All right, good afternoon, everyone. We are going to do a 5 mile route or loop. This time, this is going to be the Fry Road St. Ranch Boulevard loop. We can start, in this case, either over here by the start of the PPM loop, or right on over here if we happen to be meeting in front of the ninth grade center. But basically, it entails heading east along Fry Road, taking a left at Cinco Crossing, taking another left onto Cinco Ranch Boulevard, and then heading down Spring Green, and then finishing right here for a 5 mile loop. If you're running more than 5 miles, obviously you could turn this into an additional 2 miles here. You could potentially make an extension of 2 miles around the lake loop. If you're going to make it 7, you could even go 8 miles total by adding all of this and then adding the Kalachi loop on there and the lake loop. It's all up to you on this, but there's a lot of variations on these extensions over here to make this more than 5 miles. All right, so let's get down to the nitty and the gritty. So we're right here and just going to run eastbound on Fry Road. When you get to this intersection, you need to make sure that you are looking to your left and your right and your left and your right and are running in place waiting for the signal. But even when you get the signal, you need to make sure that you are keeping your eyes up. Okay, running in place, CT run, rule is nonstop. So make that happen, please. All right, so same is going to be true here. Your mile mark is going to be right here by the pool. Okay, and across the pool intersection here, and then keep on trucking along Fry Road. So if you're going 2 miles total, you'd get to the swimming pool and turn back. Make sure you're running in place at any of those stop lights. 1.5 miles is going to be just after this enclave right here, and just before you get to Meadowbrook Farms Country Club Drive over here on your right. Okay. So if you're going 3, that's where you turn around. So once you get to Cinco Crossing, take a left. The 2 mile is going to be right there at the faculty parking lot. So if you're going 4, that's where you would turn around at that particular spot. Everyone else would go further. Okay, you got the 2.5 mark right here. So that means your 3 mile mark is going to be at the gas station. It's right there between the Cinco Auto and the Kona Rotisserie. Make sure your eyes are up here. Make sure you run in place if you catch the stoplight there. But make sure you're looking to your left and your right as you're going through that process. At that intersection, 3.5 is going to be the entrance here, Enchanted Meadow Lane. And then, so that's another solution, by the way. If you wanted to make this all in out and back, you could. So if you're going 6, you can go out and back to this spot if you wanted to. So if you're going 7, you could go out and back to this spot if you wanted to. And then the 4 mile is going to be just on the other side here of the Four Corners loop. So again, if you're going 8 and you don't want to second guess it, you could just go to that 4 and turn back and retrace your steps. And finally, 4.5 is going to be right on over here. So if you're on 9 total, that's where you turn around. Or you could go 5 and then do another 4 on a different loop. So either way, a lot of ways to mix it up, but this is a great loop, 5 miles total. Have a great evening. Bye.